Have you ever wanted to tell someone to go F themselves, but you held back because you are a good person? Well, you're not alone, and here's the problem. People like us have a hard time asking for help from others, especially when we've been burned in the past. You know what I mean? We feel like we're always getting played or taken advantage of, and then when we finally find someone who seems like they can help us, we just can't bring ourselves to ask for that help. You know why? Because we're too worried about being judged or rejected. But let me tell you something. If you don't ask for help, you'll never get it. And I know it sounds simple, but it's true. Think about all the times you could have asked for help but didn't. You might have ended up in a better place if you had. The good news is it doesn't have to be that way anymore because I have something that is gone not change everything for you. It is gone nah make things so much easier and I want you to be a part of it. But before I tell you what it is, let me tell you this. There's a reason why 99% of people will never achieve their dreams, and it's because they don't have a coach or a mentor to guide them, someone who has been where they want to go and can help them avoid the pitfalls that are costly. And here's the other thing, most people don't want to be successful, they're just saying they do because they think it's the right thing to do. But deep down inside, they're happy with how things are going. They're comfortable with the status quo, but not you. You're different. You have a fire inside of you that won't let you rest until you have achieved your goals. Well, I have something that's going to change everything for you, something that's going to make things so much easier. Let me tell you about it. We've created a community of like-minded individuals who are all working towards the same goal, achieving success. We know that life can get in the way sometimes and it can be hard to stay motivated or focused, but that's why we're here, to help each other out, to be the support system that we've always needed. We have created a space where you can ask questions and get advice from others who have been in your shoes. You can share your wins and celebrate each other's successes, and we do it all through a messaging platform. But wait, there's more. We also host live events where you can connect with other members in person and learn from some of the best in the industry. It's a great way to stay accountable and motivated, plus it's a lot of fun too. So if you're ready to take the next step in your journey, I want you to click the link below and sign up for free. Yes, you heard that right. It's completely free. But here's the catch. You may create a free account. But if you want to make extra money online, you need use it as a real business, meaning you will need invest to make those sales. That is why I want you to act fast because we are only offering this for a limited time. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up now and start earning extra income today. Just click the link below to get started. And look, I know this might seem like a huge risk for you. Maybe you've never invested in yourself before, or maybe you've never had anyone believe in you. But I'm telling you, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Here's the deal. You are either going to make a small investment now and potentially transform your life, or you are going to continue living the same way and hoping for a different result. But let me tell you something, it doesn't work that way. If you want a different result, you have to do something different, and that's why I want you to take this chance, invest in yourself and your future. Sign up today and let's get started. Just click the link below and I'll see you on the other side. But please hurry, this offer is only available for a limited time. You know, most people will never ask for help because they're too afraid of being judged or rejected, but not you. You're not like most people. You're here watching this video and that makes you different. You're taking the first step towards success by simply clicking on this video. Now I want you to take the next step. Click the link below and sign up for free. It's risk-free and could change your life forever. Don't wait another day to start living the life of your dreams. Sign up now and let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the inside.